Nurses. A. Nursing grades. Nurse working in a hospital have the following grades. Student nurse, a nurse who is still in training. Staff nurse, a nurse who has completed the training course. Charge nurse, a more experienced nurse who is in charge of or responsible for a ward of our department. Nurse manager, a nurse who is in charge of several wards. No, the old term sister is still sometimes used for a female charge nurse. A female nurse manager may be called matron. Dr. James is talking to sister work. Support workers. The clinical support worker who has done a short course and obtained basic qualifications, and the nursing auxiliary who is usually unqualified but assists nursing staff. There may also be workers whose duties include making sure patients' notes and information are up to date and answering the telephone. Specialization. Like doctors, nurse can specialize. A midwife has specialized from the beginning by doing a course in midwifery, the management of pregnancy and childbirth. District nurse visit patients in their homes. Health visitors also work in the community, giving advice of the promotion of health and the prevention of illness. The nurse role has changed considerably in recent years. In addition to general patient care, checking temperatures, pulse rate, and blood pressures, changing dressing, giving injections, and removing sutures, nurses now do some of the things previously reserved for doctors, such as prescribing drugs and ordering laboratory tests. More responsibility for nurse is plain, as the following article demonstrates. Nurse carry out surgery in effort to cut patients wearing lace. Nurse in Scotland trained to perform minor surgery have entered the operating theatre for the first time in an effort to cut patient waiting times. Five nurses who have passed a new course at Glasgow Caledonian University are now qualified to carry out such procedures as the removal of small lesions, being more cysts. The verbs perform and carry out are used with all types of procedures. They are often used in passive forms. Perform, carry out. Uh, an examination, an operation, a procedure, an experiment, a test, a biopsy. The procedure was performed or carried out by a nurse. Enfermeras. Categorías de enfermeras. Las enfermeras que trabajan en un hospital tienen las siguientes categorías. Estudiante de enfermería, una enfermera que todavía está en formación. Enfermera de plantilla, una enfermera que ha completado el curso de formación. Enfermera encargada o enfermero encargado es un enfermero o enfermera más experimentada que está a cargo de o es responsable de una sala o departamento. Gerente de enfermería, una enfermera que está a cargo de varias salas. Nota, el término antiguo sister, hermana, todavía se usa a veces para una enfermera encargada femenina. A una gerente de enfermería femenina se le puede llamar también matrona. Dr. James está hablando con la hermana Watkins. Personal de apoyo. El personal clínico de apoyo que ha realizado un curso corto y ha obtenido cualificaciones básicas, y la auxiliar de enfermería que normalmente no está cualificada, ambas ayudan al personal de enfermería. También puede haber personal de sala cuyos deberes incluyen asegurarse de que las notas de los pacientes y la información estén actualizadas y contestar el teléfono. Especialización. Al igual que los médicos, las enfermeras o enfermeros pueden especializarse. Una matrona se ha especializado desde el principio realizando un curso de matrona en el manejo de embarazo y el parto. Las enfermeras de distrito visitan los pacientes en sus hogares. Las visitadoras sanitarias trabajan en la comunidad brindando consejos sobre la promoción de salud y la prevención de enfermedades. El papel de la enfermera. El papel de la enfermera ha cambiado considerablemente en los últimos años. Además de la atención al paciente, la comprobación de la temperatura, el pulso y la presión arterial. Ok. El cambio de vendajes, la administración de inyecciones y la retirada de suturas. Las enfermeras ahora hacen algunas de las cosas que antes estaban reservadas para los médicos, como recetar medicamentos y solicitar análisis de laboratorio. Más responsabilidades para las enfermeras están planificadas, como lo demuestra el siguiente artículo. Las enfermeras realizan cirugías menores para reducir la lista de espera de pacientes. Las enfermeras en Escocia, capacitadas para realizar cirugías menores, han entrado en el quirófano por primera vez en un esfuerzo para reducir las listas de espera de pacientes. 5 enfermeros que aprobaron un nuevo curso de la Universidad Caledonian de Glasgow ahora están cualificadas para llevar a cabo procedimientos como la extirpación de pequeñas lesiones, tumores benignos y quistes. Los verbos perform y carry out, realizar y llevar a cabo, se usan con todo tipo de procedimientos a menudo se usan en la forma pasiva. Perform, un examen, el procedimiento fue realizado por un enfermero. Carry out, una operación eh, llevada a cabo. Un procedimiento, un experimento, una prueba o una biopsia. Complete the sentences. Look at B and C and C look at B, C, and opposite to help you. Someone who specializes in delivering babies is a midwife. Someone who is qualified to assist nurse is a clinical support worker. Someone who is not qualified but he is able to assist nurses is a nursing auxiliary. A nurse who has qualified is a staff nurse. A nurse who specializes in health promotion is a health visitor. A nurse who looks after a ward is charge nurse. A nurse who works in the community is a district nurse. Someone who answers the one telephone is ward clerks. Make word combination using a word phrase from each box. Remove sutures. Carry out a procedure. Change addressing. Give an injection. Check the temperature. Complete the sentence with the correct grammatical form and perform. An isotope brain scanning painless and easy to perform. Biopsy of the pancreas was performed last March. Eh, if the patient condition deteriorates, a laparotomy should be performed. If a diagnosis of meningitis is a suspect, a lumbar puncture must be performed. Last year, we performed a randomized double-blind group study. Complete the sentence with the correct grammatical form of carry out. I now intend to carry out a larger study. Unfortunately, few properly controlled trials have been carried out so far. A number of studies have been carried out recently to look at this question. RI hemicolectomy have been carried out and the patient made a full recovery. This procedure can be carried out in the emergency department.